Hello everyone. In today's video session, I'll be doing Minitab Activity 2 titled Descriptive Statistics. As usual, you'll be going to your D2L shell, click on Math 1530, click on Contents, then click on Minitab and Calculator Assignments, and then click on Activity 2 Descriptive Statistics. And you will see a Word document titled Activity 2 Descriptive Statistics over there. Now go ahead and download this file onto your laptops or desktops. And then when you open up this Word document, you will see this. Now this activity is related to numerical summaries, and this problem is concerned with how travel mug keeps coffee warm and how the temperature keeps on going down after a period of time. So what was done in this one, in this experiment, 4 coffee mugs were taken, brand A, B, C, and D, and then 4 different brands of coffee mugs with water was heated here. And then they measured temperature drops after every 45 minutes. So this was the data set was got. And what we're going to do is we're going to be applying our numerical summaries on this data set. The first one you're going to do is use your calculators to get the quartiles for brand A. Now we have done this problem in class, or you can look into your lecture notes and you can figure out how to do this one. What my main thing is in this video session is how to use Minitab. And this Minitab I'm working on is on math. So the first thing in this Minitab is this, it says that you have to enter the data into a Minitab worksheet by putting all these 4 brands A, B, and C and D, and then apply the questions and do the work from there. Okay, so what we're now going to do is open up a Minitab, a new Minitab worksheet. So what you need to do is you need to go to the top of your, go to the Go on the menu bar for the Mac. You need to go to Go and then click on Applications. And then you would see in the Applications a Minitab. And that's the icon for the Minitab over here. So this is what you will have. And what you need to do is just double click on this icon. Now when you double click on this icon, what you notice is a new Minitab worksheet has been opened. What we're going to do is go ahead and put all this brand A, B, C, and D in these 4 columns. So let's go ahead and write it down. Brand A, brand B, and then brand C and brand D. Let's go ahead and fill in the numbers. Say 22, 15, 23, and so forth. And similarly for brand B, 12, 15, 17, and then go ahead and fill up all the numbers. So I have written down all the numbers for the brand A, B, C, and D over here. What we now are going to do is look at the question, which is the one which talks about, this is question number 2 we're guys going to look at. This question number 2 says you have to enter the data and you are asked to find the 5-number summary, the mean, mode, standard deviation, sample size for brand A, and then you need to fill this up. Or mode also, yeah, go ahead, you can do the mode part too. Then what we're going to do is then we're going to compare these values from this from Minitab with the one with question 1, and then go ahead and do the other set of questions. Now, the question is asking you to do brand A, and I'll do brand C for you this time. And then you can just basically copy the steps from there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to follow the instructions. It says click on Stat because we want to find the numerical summary for brand C. So click on Stat, Basic Statistics, click on Display, Descriptive Statistics. Now it says which brand. So under Variables, you can click on brand, say C, and then you click on Statistics. And when you click on Statistics, now you're given a lot of information. We just need, say, mean, median, mode. So we don't need this. We need the first quartiles. We need the minimum, max. Then we need the sample size. So that is given by n total. Then we need, so if you want to find mode, we can also look at interquartile range. We can, do whatever questions is being asked. Okay, so I'm just going to look at the ones which is basically asked for us to do over here. It says min, max, Q1, Q2, Q3, mean, standard deviation, and sample size. So let's just go ahead and click OK, and then OK, and here are the information we are looking for. You can go ahead and plug these values in. Okay, the next one is part B is basically you have to see if these answers match up with the answers here. And then number C is making a box plot. It says make a box plot for the temperature drops for each of these brands and save this as an image and paste it below over here. So as this is a Mac, so I'll be going by the instructions of the Mac here. So let's go ahead and start this problem on the Minitab. So it says go to graph, go to box plot. Then we're going to look at multiple Y variables and click on with categorical variables. And then under the Y variable, you see a blinking cursor. You have to put all the brands because you want all the brands box plots together. Click on that, double click on brand C and brand D. And then just simply go ahead and click OK. So what we notice is this little image. And I hope you guys remember how to copy this picture and paste it in the Word document when you'll be, giving me the assignments. So what you need to do is click on this, the arrow here, the downward arrow, copy as picture, and then just go back and paste. And that's where it is. Now you're asked a bunch of other questions. Which brand has the largest spread? So looking at all this picture, you can go ahead and do these problems. Okay, and then you have this question on match the brand with each of these choices given to you. So all these questions are part of your Minitab activity 2. Okay, well, go ahead and do this, complete this assignment. Thank you.